right, this is how I'm going to Alaska. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's a small book bag. I realize my clothes are small, so you can get a larger book bag. So in my coat, I have my toboggan, in one pocket, and this will go much quicker. I won't put the other stuff back. I'll just take it out. And in the other pocket, I have my, I forget what this is called, but it's Velcro, and it goes around your nose and ears. See, like this. So much warmer. That's in one pocket. Then my backpack, I have my meds and my cords, my charger. Okay, in the main part, I've got my gloves on my backpack strap. I got my toiletries. Note that I will be bringing a travel size toothpaste, but I've got I melt deodorant and put it in this little thing because I travel a lot, but you may just get a travel deodorant. I use shampoo and bath soap all in one. I'm going to bring you each one of these tonight. All right. In my backpack, along with this, I have merino wool socks. I have a scarf. I have a merino wool sweater. Another merino wool sweater. I don't know if we'll need these, but I got them. And that you can get a really cheap pair. I'll wear my boots, and these are my, kind of slippers for inside the church. Merino wool underpants, another pair of merino wool underpants. Well, this is a merino wool undershirt. This is a merino wool undershirt. These are pants with pockets and Sherpa lined. These are ski pants. And this is another merino wool under the pants. So then merino wool underwear. You can wear it 4 or 5 days. Just rinse it out, it dries quick. That's it. Let's go to Alaska.